Hello and good morning. In this video I will show you how you can make baking powder by yourself in only 2 minutes with only 3 ingredients. Let's go. Okay, the first thing you need a small kitchen scale, a jar, glass jar. I have named this baking powder. This is tartaric acid. And tartaric acid is a natural acidity regulator with a neutral taste. And we need 20 grams of this. The next ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is also a natural source of carbon dioxide, which makes the dough rise when you bake. And we need 25 grams of this one. Just pour it in. And the last ingredient, as this baking powder is starch-free, is corn flour. I use a light one, but you also can use the yellow one. And we need also 20 grams of this. Pour it in. A lid on and shake. And now you have baking powder Nemmersen style. Fast, easy, and very cheap to make.